This video is to help you with the prediction of a precipitate, whether it will form or not. First off though, if you get a little SOLN in brackets, it means solution. Remember, a solution is when the solid is soluble in water and it forms a solution. A little S in brackets means solid. So basically that substance is insoluble. It does not dissolve in water. All right, so first off, we want to, if we take a magnesium sulfate solution and add it to a sodium carbonate solution, will a solid form or not? Remember, the solid is what we call the precipitate. So what we do is, you can see the magnesium sulfate is comprised of the magnesium ion and the sulfate ion, a positive ion and a negative ion. The same here, of course. A sodium ion is the positive ion, carbonate ion is the negative ion. So what we want to do is check the other combinations of positive negative ions. So this is a positive ion, let's check with that negative ion. So, and the same here, that positive ion with that negative ion. First off, let's check sodium sulfate. If sodium sulfate formed, would that be soluble or insoluble? It would be soluble. This means sodium sulfate is not our precipitate. Let's check magnesium carbonate. If we have a look here, magnesium carbonate is insoluble, which would be our solid. So if we take magnesium sulfate solution and add sodium carbonate solution, we do get an insoluble product formed. We get a precipitate. The name of that precipitate formed will be magnesium carbonate. PPT is shorthand for precipitate, magnesium carbonate. Okay, let's check the next example. If we take sodium chloride solution, that's soluble, and calcium nitrate solution, that's soluble, are there any other combinations which are insoluble? So let's check. We have our sodium nitrate, and there it says all nitrates are soluble. So that soluble will not form a solid. Our other combination is calcium chloride, and calcium chloride is also soluble. So if we add these two solutions to one another, it will look like nothing has happened. There will be no insoluble product, no precipitate. So we could just say precipitate equals dash, like nothing, no precipitate. You could even write no precipitate if you like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is send you a little assignment for you to complete just to see if you've got the hang of it.